Hello everyone, I'm Mayor Diane Marlin from Urbana, Illinois. It's September in Urbana, and in years past we would welcome newcomers to our community, and we looked forward to a fall schedule packed with campus events and school activities. This year is different, and this September is very different. What we do for the next few weeks will determine really the course of the COVID-19 pandemic in Champaign County. For the first time since March, the University of Illinois and Parkland College are open for in-person classes. The U of I has implemented a massive testing program for the thousands of students, faculty, and staff who have returned to our city. This is the key to reducing the spread of the disease. Testing, isolating, and contact tracing will prevent outbreaks related to the campus opening. The cities of Champaign and Urbana have been doing our part as well. Like the university, our plans are based on science, local test data, and the latest medical advice about COVID-19. The City of Urbana issued emergency orders last week to help reduce spread of the disease in the community. Here's what the emergency orders ask you to do. Number 1, wear a mask wherever you are in public. Indoors and outdoors, wherever you go, wear a face covering. This is the single most important way you can protect the community, reduce spread of the disease, and avoid overwhelming our healthcare system. Number 2, you must remain seated in restaurants and bars, inside and outside. You can stand to go to the restroom, place an order, pick up an order, but no standing is allowed otherwise inside or outside for the next few weeks. Number 3, from 9 p.m. on, the entry age for Urbana bars, and these are bars that are holding a Class A liquor license, will be 21 years of age or older. And number 4, and this is an important one, you must limit the number of people at parties and gatherings in residential settings. Through September 28th in Urbana, you may not host a party in your house or apartment for more than 10 guests, in addition to the people who live in the household. This limit applies to outdoor areas as well, such as backyards and parking lots. You must also wear a face covering and maintain social distancing. Number 5, you can be subject to a ticket or a fine for violating these orders. And if you're a U of I student, you'll also be subject to the university discipline system. So please, comply. Complete copies of all the COVID-19 emergency orders can be found at the city's website at www.urbanaillinois.us/COVID-19. If you want to report a violation of the face mask emergency order, please call the Public Health District at 217-239-7877. To report a nuisance party, call METCAD at 217-333-8911. Together, we'll keep our community safe. I just want to tell you all how very proud I am of our community and how we've responded to the pandemic over the past 5 months. Collectively, we have reduced the spread of the disease and we protected our healthcare system. And I want to ask you to please take the time to check in on your families, your neighbors and friends. Isolation and uncertainty is taking a toll across the city. And please be patient and kind to those people who keep our cities running, who respond to your calls for help, who staff our healthcare system, prepare food, and perform other essential services. And finally, I want to recognize and thank the tireless efforts made by the teachers, staff, administrators, parents, and guardians who have worked to reopen our K-12 schools this fall. In Urbana, they are beginning remotely out of an abundance of caution. I applaud that decision to start remotely, and I understand the impact on families, teachers, and staff. Nothing is easy these days, but underlying everything we do is the need to protect the health and the precious lives in our community. Thank you all for your continued support and cooperation. Together, we're navigating through this pandemic, and together we will emerge stronger, smarter, and kinder. Thank you all.